A conversation at the front desk while checking in. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
I made a room reservation
Great. Under what name is the reservation?
under the name Alex Muller.
One moment, please. I will check the computer.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you for waiting. Yes, I found your booking.
Great, I am glad.
You booked a single room with breakfast, correct?
Yes, correct.
Will you stay one night or several nights?
I will stay 3 nights.
Very good. Are you traveling alone or with someone else?
I am traveling alone.
All right. Have you been our guest before?
No, this is my first time here.
Then I will explain the most important information.
Yes, that would help. Thanks.
May I first see your ID or passport?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you very much. One moment, please.
No problem. I can wait.
Everything is fine. Would you like to pay cash or by card?
By card, please.
Very good. Please insert your card here.
One moment. Done.
Perfect. Please sign at the bottom.
All right, done.
Thank you. Do you have luggage to take upstairs?
Yes, I have 1 suitcase and 1 backpack.
No problem. The elevator is to the right of the desk.
Thanks for the information.
Your room is on the 3rd floor, room 312.
Okay, 3rd floor, room 312.
Exactly. Here is your room card.
Thank you very much.
Breakfast is on the 1st floor in the breakfast room.
From what time is breakfast?
Breakfast starts at 7 and ends at 10.
Perfect. That works well.
If you wish, you can get coffee earlier.
Good to know, thanks.
Do you have other questions about the hotel or your stay?
Is there Wi-Fi in the hotel?
Yes, of course. The Wi-Fi is free.
And what is the password?
The password is on the room card holder.
Great, thank you.
If you need anything, call us anytime at the desk.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. I wish you a pleasant stay.
Thanks. I am sure I will enjoy it.
Welcome again and have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
A conversation at hotel breakfast.
Good morning. Is this seat free?
Good morning. Yes, please sit here.
Thank you.
Sure. Did you just arrive too?
Yes, I came down a few minutes ago.
Me too. I stayed in my room for a bit.
Do you know how long breakfast lasts?
Yes, breakfast ends at 10.
Great. Then I still have enough time.
Yes, no rush.
Have you eaten something yet?
Yes, I already ate some bread and fruit.
Sounds good. I am really hungry.
Would you like coffee or tea?
Coffee, please, Black.
Sure. Should I get you a whole pot?
Yes, that would be very nice. Thanks.
No problem. I will get one now.
Thank you very much.
Do you prefer your breakfast sweet or savory?
I prefer savory in the morning.
Then I suggest the scrambled eggs and cheese.
Are the scrambled eggs freshly made?
Yes, they are made fresh often.
Very good. Is there bread and rolls too?
Yes, back left at the buffet.
Ah, I see it. Is there whole wheat bread too?
Yes, right next to the white bread.
Perfect. And is there fruit as well?
Yes, there are apples, bananas, and also yogurt.
Do you also take cereal?
Yes, mostly with yogurt and a bit of honey.
That sounds tasty.
Would you like some jam too?
Maybe later, thanks.
Do you need something lactose-free or gluten-free?
No, everything is fine for me.
Would you like some juice?
Yes, please. Orange juice.
The juice is right next to the coffee machine.
Thanks for the hint.
Was your room quiet at night?
Yes, very quiet. I slept well.
I'm glad to hear that.
And yours?
Also good, the bed was very comfy.
Then we both start the day well.
Yes, for sure.
Thanks a lot for the breakfast tips.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, you too.
A conversation at the front desk about the room.
Good evening. I have a question about my room.
Good evening. Sure. What would you like to know?
I just checked in and want to ask quickly.
Of course. Which room is it?
The room on the third floor.
Yes. What is your question exactly?
Is the room quiet?
Yes, it faces the courtyard. It's usually quiet.
That sounds good, thank you.
Are you happy with the size of the room?
Yes, it's big enough for me.
Do you have a single or double room?
I booked a single room.
Right, with a large bed.
Is there also a desk in the room?
Yes, right by the window.
Perfect, I need to work a bit.
Do you need extra light for that?
No, the lamp is enough.
Have you seen the bathroom yet?
Yes, it's clean and modern.
Glad to hear that.
Are there fresh towels in the room?
Yes, 2 large and 1 small.
Great.
Does the heater work for you?
Yes, but can I set it myself?
Yes, the thermostat is on the wall.
Good to know.
Any questions about the TV or Wi-Fi?
Yes, what is the Wi-Fi password?
It is on the room card.
Ah, I see it now.
Would you like another pillow?
No, that's not necessary.
Then I wish you a pleasant stay.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Call us anytime. A talk at the front desk about a problem.
Good evening. Excuse me, I have one more question about my room.
Good evening, of course. What would you like to know?
I checked in earlier and just went up to the room.
All right. Which room are we talking about?
My room on the third floor.
Yes, I see it here. What is your question?
I want to know if the room is quiet.
Yes, your room faces the hotel courtyard.
So there's no street noise there?
Correct. No cars pass there. It is usually very quiet.
That sounds very good, thanks.
Have you opened or closed the window yet?
Yes, I opened it for a moment and
And was it quiet for you?
yes, I heard nothing.
Very good. Are you happy with the room overall?
Yes, so far I am.
Is the size of the room okay for you?
Yes, it is big enough for me alone.
You booked a single room, right?
Yes, that's right.
The room has a large bed for comfortable sleep.
Yes, the bed looks very comfortable.
Is there a desk in the room?
Yes, I saw it.
It stands right by the window.
Perfect. I need to work a bit tonight.
Would you like extra light or another lamp?
No, the lamp on the desk is enough.
Very good. Have you already looked at the bathroom?
Yes, I went in quickly.
Is everything clean and okay?
Yes, everything is clean and modern.
I am glad to hear that.
Are there fresh towels in the room?
Yes, there are 2 big towels and 1 small.
Very good, thanks.
Does the heater work for you?
Yes, it works.
Would you like to set the temperature yourself?
Yes, if that is possible.
Sure. The thermostat is on the wall by the door.
Now I know where it is.
Have you turned on the TV yet?
No, not yet.
And the Wi-Fi, have you used it already?
Not yet. What is the Wi-Fi password?
The password is on the sleeve of your key card.
I see it now. Thanks.
Would you like another pillow or an extra blanket?
No, I do not need that.
All right. If you need anything later, call us anytime.
Thank you for your help and the explanations.
You are very welcome. I wish you a pleasant stay.
Thanks. Have a nice evening.
You too. Good night. A conversation at the pool.
Excuse me, is the pool open now?
Yes, the pool is open.
Until when can we swim today?
The pool is open until 8 this evening.
Great. Do you know if the water is heated?
Yes, the water is heated and nice and warm.
So, not cold?
No, not cold at all.
That's perfect. Are there pool towels here too?
Yes, you get them at the towel stand.
Do we need to pay or leave a deposit?
No, towels are included.
Great, that's convenient.
Right, you don't need to bring anything.
Are there any free loungers right now?
Yes, a few are free back there in the shade.
Shade is good. The sun is pretty strong.
Yes, especially around noon.
Is it always this quiet here?
Mostly in the morning, it is very quiet.
And in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, more guests often come.
Then it will probably be louder.
Yes, a bit busier, but not too loud.
Can we bring our own drinks to the pool?
Yes, that is allowed.
Even water bottles?
Yes, but please no glass bottles.
All right, I understand.
Plastic bottles are no problem.
Is there a pool bar here too?
Yes, right there beside the pool.
Ah, I see it.
There you can order drinks and small snacks.
What exactly can we get there?
Water, juice, coffee, cocktails, and small snacks.
For example,
Sandwiches, salads, or ice cream.
that sounds very good.
Yes, I'll grab a drink later.
Have you swum already today?
Yes, earlier I swam a few laps.
Is the pool big?
Yes, you can swim well.
Is the pool the same depth everywhere?
No, it is shallow at the edge.
And in the middle?
In the middle, it is a bit deeper.
Is there also a section for kids?
Yes, on the left is a small kiddie pool.
That's good for families.
Yes, many guests come with kids.
Do we have to wear a swim cap here?
No, that is not needed here.
Great, then I can go straight in.
Exactly.
How is the temperature outside today?
It is warm, but a light breeze is blowing.
So, not too hot.
Right, very pleasant.
Perfect for relaxing.
Yes, I like to lie here and read a book.
Sounds relaxing.
Will you stay long at the pool?
Probably an hour or two.
I'll stay about 1 more hour.
And then,
Then I will shower and go back to my room.
will you come back here later?
Maybe in the evening when it is quieter.
Then maybe we'll see each other again.
Yes, I'd like that.
Then I wish you lots of fun.
Thanks, you too. Have fun in the water. A chat in the sauna.
Excuse me, can I ask something? Is the sauna free right now?
Yes, of course. It is quiet now.
That means not many people inside?
Right, it is very calm now.
Great. Which sauna is this here?
This is the Finnish sauna.
Ah, okay. How hot is it there?
About 190 degrees Fahrenheit.
190? That is really hot.
Yes, true. The Finnish sauna is quite hot.
Then I should not stay too long.
Right, listen to your own body.
How long do you suggest for beginners?
10 to 15 minutes are enough.
So better short than too long?
Yes, exactly. Leave earlier.
Do I need a towel in the sauna?
Yes, always lay a big towel down.
Also under my feet?
Yes, under the whole body.
Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome. Have you been in a sauna before?
No, honestly, not very often.
Then start slowly. That is good.
Yes, I will.
Have you showered before the sauna?
Not yet. Should I do that first?
Yes, showering before the sauna is very important.
Okay, I will do that first.
And after the sauna, too.
Right after?
Yes. Cool down first, then shower.
Is there a cold shower for that?
Yes, right next to the sauna.
And if I get cold?
Then wrap yourself in a towel.
Is there also a rest area here?
Yes, a quiet zone is next door.
With loungers?
Yes, with comfortable loungers to relax.
Can we drink something there too?
Yes, that is very important.
So drink water.
Exactly. Plenty of water or tea.
Is there a steam session today?
Yes, tonight at 7 o'clock.
Do I need to sign up for it?
No, just be on time.
Is the steam session very hot?
Yes, a bit hotter than normal.
Then I will first see how I feel.
That is a good idea.
May we talk inside the sauna?
Soft talking is okay.
But better stay quiet?
Yes, many guests want to relax.
I understand.
If you feel dizzy or unwell, leave at once.
Yes, thanks for the warning.
Sit down for a moment and drink something.
Good to know.
Do you have any other questions about the sauna?
No, I feel well prepared now.
Glad to hear that.
I will go shower now.
Very good. Have a relaxing time.
Thank you. I will enjoy it.
Sure. Enjoy and relax.